Hello students, how are you? Again welcome to my class. Now today we will discuss about some problems from your book page number 17. Okay. My dear student, your first question is find the sum and write the answer as a Roman numeral. My dear student, this is your question. Okay. Now we will find out what is the answer for this question in Roman numeral form. So first what will you do? This is your question is D C L X I. Okay, this is first Roman numeral and this is second Roman numeral. M C L X I X. This is the question. So in this question, how will you find out the answer for this question? Now we will discuss. First we will find out this is the symbol of which natural number. This is the symbol of which natural number. Now we discuss D C L X I. Okay, you know very well, as we have already discussed, D is the symbol of 500. D is symbol of 500. C is symbol of 100. L is symbol of 50. This is X is symbol of 10. And this is 3. Okay. After adding, you will get 500 plus 100. It will give to you 600. 650, 660, 663. Okay, 663. That means this is the symbol of 663. Okay. Now we will discuss about this is symbol of which natural number. Now look here. M C L X I X. Okay, you know very well, M is a symbol of 1000. C, there is C is in 3 times, so 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. It will give to you 300. It will give to you 300 plus L is stand for 50. X means X is symbol of 10. 10 plus 10. 10 means 20. And IX means 9. Okay. So we will add all these 5 natural number. So what is the sum? This will give to you 1379. Okay, 1379. And now look here, according to question, then after we will add these 2 natural number. Now look here, 1379 plus 663. After adding, you will get 9 plus 3 12. This is 2. Carry over is 1. 1 plus 7 8. 8 plus 6 14. This is 4. Carry over is 1. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 6 10. This is 0. Carry over is 1. 1 plus 1 2. Okay. 2042. is the sum of these two natural number. This is the incomplete answer. What is your question? Write the answer in Roman numeral. Write the answer in Roman numeral. So we will find out what is the Roman numeral for 2042. Okay. So what will you do? 2042, we can break this number. 2000 means 1000 plus 1000. 42 means 40 plus 2. Okay. So symbol of 1000 is M. Symbol of 1000 is M. Symbol of 40 is XL. And 2 is 2 times I. Okay. Symbol of 1000 is M. Symbol of 1000 is M. Symbol of 40 is XL. Symbol of 2 is 2 times capital I. We have already discussed in previous class. Okay. So this is the required answer for your required question. M M X L I I. It is the required answer for your required question. Now your second question is M C M X X V plus M C D L V I. This is your question. We apply the same procedure. You will find out the answer in Roman numeral. So what will you do? First we will discuss about this is the symbol of which natural number and this is the symbol of which natural number. Now let us discuss M C M X X V is equal to M means 1000. M means 1000 plus CM. C stands for 100 and M stands for 1000. C stands for 100 and M stands for 1000. So what will you do? Symbol of smaller number. Symbol of smaller number is left side of bigger number. So what will you do? A smaller value we can subtract from bigger value. A smaller value we can subtract from bigger number. So what will you do? CM means 1000 minus 100. 1000 minus 100. X means 10. This X means 10. 10 plus 10. It will give to you 20. X means 10 and 10. 10 plus 10. It will give to you 20. And V stands for 5. V stands for 5. So what will you do? 1000 plus 900 plus 25. It will give to you after adding 1925. 1925. Okay. Then after we will discuss it is the symbol of which natural number. Now look here. M C D L V I. Okay. You know very well. M is stand for 1000. C D. C is symbol of 100. D is symbol of 500. Symbol of smaller value is left side of bigger value. Symbol of smaller value is left side of bigger value. So what we will do? In that condition, smaller value subtract from bigger value. Smaller value subtract from bigger value. CD means 500 minus 100 plus L stand for 50, V stand for 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is 8. So then after 1500 minus 100, 450 plus 8. After adding you will get 1458. After adding you will get 1458. Okay. Then after what we will do? We will add these two natural number. Now look here. We will add 1925 plus 1458. What is the sum? 5 plus 8, 13. This is 3. Carry over is 1. 1 plus 2, 3. Plus 5, 8. 9 plus 4, 13. This is 3. Carry over is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Plus 1, 3. 3383. 3383. Okay. This is your incomplete answer. Your answer will be in Roman numeral. So what will you do? We can break 3383. How? Look here. 3383 means this is 3000 plus 383. 83 means 50 plus 30 plus 3. Okay. It is the splitting form of 3383. Now look here. What is the symbol of 3000? You know very well. M is symbol of 1000. M is symbol of 1000. So 3000 means M. Okay. 1000. It will give to you 3000. 300 means C is symbol of 100. 300 means 3 times C. 300. L is stand for 50. 30 means X. 3 means I. Okay. So this is your required answer for your required question. M, C, L, X, I. This is your required answer for your required question. Okay. Again, my dear student, your next question is XLV plus IV. This is the horizontal line. This horizontal line is called bar. Okay. Just above the IV, this is one horizontal line. CXXIV. We apply the same procedure. First, we will find out this is the symbol of which natural number. Okay. Look here. CXLV. C is symbol of 100. That means 300 plus XLV. XL is symbol of 40. XL is symbol of 40. 40 plus V is symbol of 5. So it will give to you 345. 345. Okay. Again I am saying C. C is in 3 times. So it will give to you 300. XL is symbol of 40 and this is 5. It will give to you 345. Okay. Thereafter IV just above horizontal line, C X X I V. Okay. IV is symbol of 4. IV is symbol of 4. IV and just above horizontal line. This is the 4000. This is 4000 plus C. C is stand for 100. XX 10 plus 10 means 20. IV means 4. Okay. Then after you will add, you will get the sum 4124. Okay. Then after we will add these two natural number 4124 plus 345. 4 plus 5 9, 2 plus 4 6, 1 plus 3 4, 4 4 6 9, 4469. Okay. Now let us discuss what is the symbol of 4469. So we can split 4469. This is 4000 plus 469 means 50 plus 9. Okay. Now look here, this is 400. So 4000 plus 400, you can write 500 minus 100 plus 50 plus 9. Okay. Now let us discuss 4000. 4000 is symbol of which Roman numeral? 4. Symbol of 4 is IV. Symbol of 4 is IV. Just above IV we apply one horizontal line. This is 4000. 500 minus 100. Smaller value subtract from bigger value. So what we will do? Symbol of smaller value will be left side of bigger value. So this is C. Symbol of 100 is C. Symbol of 500 is D. 50 means L. 9 means IX. Okay. IV just above horizontal line, C D L I X. Okay. It is the answer of your required question. This is the answer of your required question. IV just above horizontal line, C D L I X. This is your required answer. Now your second question is find the difference and write the answer as a Roman numeral. In this question we apply the same procedure. What is the difference? In first question you will add, in second question you will subtract. Okay. In all these questions we will apply the same procedure. MDV minus CCLXII. First we will discuss about this is the symbol of which natural number. It is the symbol of which natural number. Okay. Look here. MDV. M is symbol of 1000. M is symbol of 1000 plus D is symbol of 500 and this is 5. Okay. M is symbol of 1000, D is symbol of 500, V is symbol of 5. Okay. After adding you will get 1505. 1505. Okay. This is symbol of 1505. Then after we will find out it is symbol of which natural number. Look here. C is symbol of 100. C is symbol of 100. C means 100 plus 100. It will give to you 200. L means 50. X means 10. I 10, 11, 12. Okay. This is 12. After adding you will get 262. 262. Okay. This is symbol of 1505. This is symbol of 262. Then after 262 we can subtract from 1505. Look here. 1505 minus 262. 5 minus 2, 3. This is 6. This is 0. We cannot subtract 6 from 0. So what we will do? We take one number borrow from 5. 5 will converted to 4. 0 converted to 10. 10 minus 6, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. This is 1. 1, 2, 4, 3. 1243. Okay. Then after we will find out this is which is the symbol of this natural number. What is the symbol of this natural number and which Roman numeral we can use for this natural number? Look here. 1243. This number we can split 1000 plus this is 240 plus 3. Okay. Now look here. 1000 means M is the symbol of 1000. 200 means C. 40 means XL. 3 means I. Okay. M C X L I. This is your required answer for your required question. Okay. M C X L I. This is the required answer. Your next question is DCCXX minus CCCXVII. We will apply the same procedure. It is the symbol of which natural number? Look here. DCCXX. D is symbol of 500. D is symbol of 500 plus C is symbol of 100. 100 means 200. XX. X is symbol of 10. 10 plus 10. It will give to you 20. It will give to you 20. 500 plus 200. 700 plus 20. It will give to you 720. Okay. This is symbol of 720. Then after we will discuss C, X, V, I. It is symbol of which natural number? C, 100, 100. It will give to you 300 plus X means 10, V means 5, 6, 7. After adding you will get 317. Okay. Then after what will you do? 317 we can subtract from 720. Look here. 720 minus 317. We cannot subtract 7 from 0. So what we will do? We take one number, borrow from 2. 2 converted to 1 and 0 converted to 10. 10 minus 7, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. 7 minus 3, 4. 403. It is your incomplete answer. So what will you do? We can break 403 means 400 plus 3. We can write 400 means 500 minus 100 plus 3. A smaller number is separate from bigger number. So what will you do? Symbol of smaller value will be left side. Symbol of smaller value will be left side of bigger value. Okay. Symbol of smaller value will be left side of bigger value. And 3 means I. Okay. So my dear student, C, D, I. This is required answer for your required question. C, D, I. This is your required answer for the required question. Again, your next question is VI just above horizontal line, D, C, L, V, I. It is the symbol of which natural number? Look here. VI horizontal line, D, C, L, V, I. Okay. You know very well VI. VI is a symbol of 6. VI is symbol of 6. Just above horizontal line, it will give to you 6000 plus D means 500. D means 500. C means 100. L is symbol of 50. Then after 8. So after adding you will get 6658. 6658. Okay. 6658 is the natural number for this symbol. Okay. Let us discuss about it is the symbol of which natural number? M, C, X, V, I. Look here. M is 1000. M is 1000. C means 100. X means 20. And plus 6, this is 26. M means 1000, C means 100, X 20, this is 6, 26. After adding you will get 1126. 1126. Okay. Then after what will you do? 1126 subtract from 6658. 6658 minus 1126. 8 minus 6 2, 5 minus 2 3, 6 minus 1 5, 6 minus 1 5. 5532. Which Roman numeral we can apply for this number? So 5532 means 5000 plus 500 plus 30 plus 2. Okay, 5000. V is symbol of 5. Just above V we apply one horizontal line. This is 5000. D means 500. D is symbol of 500. 30 means X X X. 32 means I. Okay. 5000 V, then after just above horizontal line, D is symbol of 500. X is symbol of 30. This is 2. VI just above horizontal line. D X I. This is your required answer for your required question. Again, your next question number 3 is Arjun walk CDLXVII meters in the playground. Kirti walk CCCLXXV meters. How many meters did they walk together? How many meters did they walk all together? Express the answer as a Roman numeral. My dear student, Arjun walk CDLXVII. First we will discuss about this is the Roman numeral for which natural number. Okay, look here. This is CD. You know very well C means 100, D means 500. C is symbol of 100, D is symbol of 500. Symbol of smaller value is left side of bigger value. So what we will do? Smaller value we subtract from bigger value. Look here. In this symbol CD, symbol of smaller value is left side of bigger value. So what we will do? Number of smaller number is subtract from bigger number. So CD means 500 minus 100. L means 50. X means 10. This is 7. 500 minus 100, 400 plus 50, 67. 467. That means Arjun walk 467 meters. Arjun walk 467 meters. Now let us discuss about Kirti walk. How many meters? Kirti walk CCCLXXV. Okay. Now look here. C is symbol of 100. 100, 100, 100. That means this is 300. L means 50. X, X, X. X is symbol of 10. 10, 10, 10 means 30, and this is 5. So you will get 385 meter. 385 meters. Okay. Arjun walk 467 meters. Kirti walk 385 meters. Then after what we will do? We will add all these two natural number. So they walk all together 467 plus 385. Now let us discuss what is the sum. 7 plus 5 12. This is 2. Carry over is 1. 1 plus 6 7. 7 plus 8 15. This is 5. Carry over is 1. 1 plus 4 5 plus 3 8. That means they walk all together 852 meters. Okay. They walk all together 852 meters. But this is the incomplete answer. So what we will do? Now let us discuss about what is the Roman numeral for 852. Look here. 852 we can split. 800 means 500 plus 300, 800 plus 50 and plus 2. Okay. 500 plus 300 plus 50 plus 2. 500 means D, 300 means C, C, C. L stand for 50 and this is 2. D, C, 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 L, I. So they walk all together 852 meter means D, C, 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 L, I meters. This is your required answer for the question number 3. Okay. My dear students, all these questions depend on your book from exercise page number 17. I hope that it will be very useful to you for your knowledge and upcoming exam. Thank you. God bless you.